and welcome to Fashionista. Christmas is the perfect time for merrymaking, and this is that time of the year where you wouldn't mind spending to get the best for you. So how many of you have decided to get a Christmas dress or party dress for Christmas? I know some of you must be still deciding what to wear, which are the beautiful colors that are in vogue, which are the different designs that are in vogue, just like me. So I'm meeting few of the designers to let me know what colors, what dress or what designs are in vogue and what would suit me the best. So let's go and find out. Get into the spirit of the season when you choose from the festive collection of women's Christmas dresses. From lush reds to bright whites to vibrant greens, the breathtaking look of women's Christmas dresses. So when you want to execute a jubilant and jovial air on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and for all of your holiday events throughout the month, choose the most fashionable selection of women's Christmas dresses. The perfect Christmas dress can be difficult to find. It's got to be a dress for Christmas that will sparkle like the occasion. Mini, maxi, midi, sequins, chiffon, animal print, decisions after decisions. And so, here are some of the lovely dresses in vogue. Choose one for Christmas. Now we have the most charming fashion designer of Goa, Monty Sally, with us. Hi Monty.
Hi, I'm fine, great.
Yeah. Monty, could you tell us what kind of designs are in vogue this time for Christmas?
See, designs, as far as the general populace is concerned, because there's so many body types, there's no one design in particular.
Okay.
So if you are plus size, you go for separates. If you are a slim person, go for a dress. So these kind of norms you have to follow.
Alright.
So it's not like a European market where we follow a particular pattern. We design as per the clients. So there are a lot of designs to choose from, lot of ideas to take from, and that's what we designers are here for.
Okay, but exactly like even if you see the international market, what kind of dresses are in vogue now, if a person has to choose?
See, dresses as usual are the knee length and slightly above the knee length dresses. High waisted, they are in vogue now. And what happens is that we can't follow the international norms at the moment because our body types are different. So what we would like to have is that the client makes a very informed decision about what suits them and what does not suit them this Christmas, and dress as per
the shades of
your shades, shades of the Indian skin.
So what's new for Christmas this time then?
New for Christmas is like what I'd say is sentimentality, hope, because now what I try to, for me, hope in garments is using jewel tones, using emeralds, using bright yellows, using louder colors this time, and to show the effervescence of Christmas and New Year, the new season.
So these are the colors which are in vogue now. So what kind of dress material Monty should go on to the opt for, because it is winter and it's on the warmer side of it?
See, what happens is for those who have budgets, it's raw silk. Raw silk with lesser slubs if required, not too many slubs in the garment. Then there's chiffons are there as usual. Chiffons is always tried and trusted. Then georgettes. So these are the fabrics which will be used this Christmas. And instead of sequins, there will be more crystal work.
Okay. So in this raw silk or chiffons, you're saying that jewel tone or emerald tone, that kind of colors are there in the market?
Yeah.
They're there?
Yeah, they're there.
Alright. What is the one thing, Monty, that a person should remember during Christmas dressing? What do you feel?
Try to look Christmassy but not like a Christmas tree. That's my saying. Okay, you are all in the fun mood, but you wouldn't go for a dance like this. So that's my mantra for this Christmas, because people either go with layers and layers and layers, and even if they are plus size, they go for layers. And what happens, which is wrong actually, and that's what makes them look like a Christmas tree. Or over that they wear something like, I've seen many people dress up like, like a Shahenshah kind of sequin sleeve and all that. So it looks a bit over the top. So let it be soft and subtle, your bling, and do not go for too much of bling also. Yeah, so don't look like a Christmas decoration or a Christmas tree.
So what do you suggest people who are on the south side?
People on the south side should go for lesser layering, less volumes, more structure, and to have a body skimming kind of garment. Not body hugging or not body leaving the body, not too flowy, just skimming the body
Okay.
to suit the silhouette. But basically that's taken care of in trials. But when you're wearing a ready-made garment, then you must be careful what fabric you're buying, because fabrics like lycra and all, they dig into the flesh, so it's not too flattering.
And the opposite side?
Slimmer side, there you can go free, you can wear airy silhouettes, you can wear voluminous dresses, you can wear body hugging. That's just a privilege thinner people have.
The walls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la, fa la la la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la, fa la la la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la la, fa la la la. Show the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la, fa la la la.
Now we have with us the most beautiful and elegant Femina Miss India Goa 2012-13, Gail De Silva. Hi Gail.
Hello.
Yeah. How was the experience after being crowned as Femina Miss India Goa 2013?
Well, it's been amazing. I was so excited, especially for a Goan to win, and I get a chance to represent my state, so I was really happy about it.
So, did you assume that you're going to be the Miss India Goa?
Wow, at first, no, because there was so much of competition, and I think my hard work paid off. Yeah.
And your beauty also.
Thank you. Yes.
So, Gail, what do you have to say about Goan fashion?
Well, I think I wouldn't want to comment on that, but I think Goans, if they want, they can keep it really simple, because the more simple you are, the more elegant you look. Yeah.
And that now that the Christmas is in, so what do you have to say about Christmas fashion?
Well, I think in the stores we do find lovely, simple, beautiful gowns. So I think Goan girls can, try something like that instead of going for more jazzy and these funky looking stuff. I think the more simple you keep it, and it should be really nice.
So, what would be your advice to Goan, especially the ladies, to about their dressing for Christmas?
I think ladies should dress their age, and girls, young girls, they should go for something very young and something funky but young. Keep the colors very simple, very elegant, very sophisticated, very light, and not go for very bright colors. So, as they say, you shouldn't look like a Christmas tree. Yeah.
So, what's your color for Christmas this time?
I haven't planned that. I always um something maybe in deep purple or blue.
I heard that mint is in now, and jewel tone also is in vogue. So, what about that?
Well, yeah. Even when you dress, the jewelry should be kept very light. If you have a heavy dress or heavy work on the dress, I think you should go very light with jewelry. Probably a ring or a clutch. That's it. Well, I love to keep it simple. Even on everyday basis, I make sure I just wear jeans and a normal t-shirt. During summer, something colorful, and during winter, something soft and light.
What is the one thing that you would want to change in Goan fashion?
I think they should keep it very simple and go with the trend. See something that suits you, suits your personality, and which speaks you out, and not try to be someone you're not. Yeah.
What are your other hobbies being a model?
Well, being a model, first I love walking on the ramp for different designers, wear different outfits, and I love dancing. Don't think that's a good idea.